It's important to understand how to navigate this aspect of your divorce because spousal maintenance is a huge factor. Spousal maintenance is a financial support provided by one spouse to the other after a divorce. The criteria for determining spousal maintenance includes the length of the marriage, each spouse's financial situation, their earning capacities, and the standard of living established during the marriage. Arizona now has guidelines that provide a formula for calculating payments, giving a range in the amount as well as the length of time maintenance will be received. Unless an agreement is reached between the parties, it will be up to the judge to decide the exact amount and the duration to be ordered. The duration of spousal maintenance depends on various factors, including the length of the marriage and the receiving spouse's ability to become self-supporting later. Payments can be temporary, rehabilitative, or permanent depending on the circumstances. Having an experienced attorney is crucial when navigating spousal maintenance. They can help you understand your rights and advocate for a fair arrangement and ensure that all legal standards are met. Understanding spousal maintenance is key to achieving a fair divorce settlement. If you need assistance with spousal maintenance, contact our office. We're here to provide you with legal guidance and support to ensure that you are getting the correct amount of spousal maintenance or that you are also paying the correct amount of spousal maintenance.